Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to start chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. So let's start solving the MCQs. The MCQ number 1 is the study of the geometrical shapes in a plane. So that's very simple MCQ. It's simply called the plane geometry. Like it is the study of this. It is the study of a geometry in 2D form. So a plane is divided into four quadrants. You will know that we have one plane and we will draw here two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. These are the perpendicular axes. So we will divide into four quadrants. First quadrant, second, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So option number C will be the correct answer. A plane is divided by two perpendicular lines. Option D will be the correct here. Two or more points which lie on the same line. So let's suppose that we have one this line. So we have 3 points here, A, B, C. So all these points lie on the same line. So such type of the points are called collinear. So option C will be the correct answer. Origin is denoted by, that is the point where x-axis and the y-axis intersect are called the origin. So origin is always denoted by 0, 0. Now the next thing is the distance between points 0, 0, 1, 1. So we know that the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you will just simply put the values here and you can easily calculate the distance. So it will become under root 1, 1. So 1 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 0 square. So under root 1 plus 1. So under root 2 will be the correct answer here. Option number D. Midpoint of the point. So we know that the midpoints formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So that's very simple to find out the midpoint of any 2 points. So 2 plus 0 over 2 is 1 and 2 plus 0 over 2 is also 1. So 1, 1 will be the correct answer. Okay, now we will move to MCQ number 28, a triangle having all sides different. So it's very simple. A triangle which have all sides are different, so it's called the scalene triangle. So option B will be the correct. The points P, Q and R are collinear. So it means that in a way it is the point P suppose, that's a point Q and that is point R. So when we will say these points are collinear, so if I will calculate the distance between P and Q, it will become PQ. Distance between QR is QR and that is the overall distance. So it's clear from this figure PR is the sum of PQ plus QR. So option I can simply say that option 9, MCQ number 9, option A will be the correct option. PQ plus QR is equal to PR. 3 points PQR form a triangle if. So we have studied that in a triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than third side. So keep this thing in mind. That is the one property of triangle is always greater than third side. So here you will see if P, Q and R are forming the one triangle. So we can simply say that the PQ plus QR, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So option C will be the correct option here. Now we will move to MCQ number 11. For 3 points P, Q and R, no unique triangles can be formed. So if PQ plus QR is equal to that sum of the two sides is equal to third side, then we cannot make any one unique triangles, means more than one triangles can be formed. So, a line has dash points, a line has no point, because we see that end point, there is no end point in a line is a straight thing which doesn't have any ending point. So that's why no will be the correct option here, means option D. Now we will move to MCQ number 13, a line segment. We know that a line segment is a part of the line which have two ending points. like in a way. So we can simply say that option A will be the correct answer here. Now we will move to MCQ number 14. Can a triangle is formed by three non-collinear points? Because if points are collinear, then we cannot make a triangle. So for making a triangle, the points must be non-collinear. So we can say MCQ number B will be the correct answer. Option number B will be the correct. Midpoint formula. We have already discussed it. X plus 1 x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. Distance formula is x2 minus, option number C is correct, but you will make one correction here. It's a typing error. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square square root. So option C will be the correct option. Student, if you remember, I have told you AB is not equal to BA. We have studied this thing here. But here we are saying that two points are equal. Means two ordered points are equal, ordered pairs are equal. How is it possible? This can only be possible if both coordinates are same. Like, let me take one example. If x is also 2 and y is also 2. If I will replace the if I will change the place of these, so this will also after replacing will become 2 2. So that's why we can say xy is equal to yx only f x is equal to y. The line segment AB, line segment is always denoted by this symbol AB, like in a way. Distance between 2 points, we can show the distance between 2 points with this symbol. Option B will be the correct answer here. Okay students, next MCQ inshallah we will solve in the next class. Allah Hafiz.